Hey guys, this is DICEBOY22, and this is my next work in progress. I think 4, maybe 4. I should have made this long ago, but you see how the legs kind of separated and the pieces are more individual right now. That's because I got my paints in, and I actually also got this Mr. Crystal Silver, which is number 1 in the line. Yeah, so I have everything all separated, ready to go, ready to paint. And now unfortunately, the only thing stopping me is I don't have any good paintbrushes because this is jacked up, and let's see, well, I don't need to show you the other one to show example, but you know. So yeah, I got the wings separated here, and thinking about separating the arms. Well, actually, I'm going to be working on the legs first, and then the arms, then the torso unit, or the waist unit, excuse me, then the chest unit, and so yeah, and I'm probably going to go over this guy's head again. I'll probably mainly just be painting it silver, going over the Vulcans, probably get in at the eyes with the Susie blue. It's like a light blue. Oh yeah, and I specifically bought this blue for the wings and the eyes. So yeah, that's my work in progress. I hope to get some paint and finish this up. And when I do have it finished up, I will review it for you guys to see. DICEBOY22, and I'm out.